The wonders of the universe, what they never told you. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, what's really out there? Not just the stars or the moon, but the vast, mind-bending reality of what we call the universe. Here's what you weren't told in school. The universe is stranger, bigger, and more alive than most people will ever realize. Let's dive in. The scale you can't imagine. The observable universe is estimated to be 93 billion light-years across. Light, traveling at 186,000 miles per second, would take 93 billion years to reach from one end to the other. And that's just what we can observe. There could be trillions of galaxies beyond that, each with billions of stars, and many of those stars have planets. Earth is just one planet in one solar system in one galaxy. If the Milky Way galaxy were the size of North America, our entire solar system would fit inside a coffee cup. And Earth? Smaller than a grain of sand. It makes you wonder, how important, really, are our problems? Mysterious forces that control everything. Let's talk about dark matter and dark energy. Over 95% of the universe is made up of these invisible forces. Scientists can't see them, touch them, or fully understand them. Yet they know they're there, because they affect the way galaxies move and the way the universe expands. Imagine running a simulation of a game without knowing what powers the engine. That's what scientists are doing right now. We are studying the universe with only 5% of the puzzle visible. So when people say science has all the answers, remember this: most of the universe is still unexplained. Part 3. Earth is in the perfect zone, almost too perfect. Our planet orbits in what scientists call the Goldilocks zone. Not too hot, not too cold. Just right for life. But that's not the only miracle. Earth's distance from the sun, the size of the moon, the tilt of the planet, the magnetic field, the oxygen balance, and even the thickness of the atmosphere all seem perfectly tuned for life. Coincidence? Some scientists suggest that life is common in the universe. Others argue that we are a rare fluke, a cosmic accident that may never happen again. And then there's another theory. We were placed here. Intentionally. Are we alone? Maybe not. In 1977, a radio telescope in Ohio picked up a mysterious signal from deep space. It lasted 72 seconds. To this day, no one has explained where it came from. They call it the WOW signal. Since then, we've discovered exoplanets in the habitable zone, underground oceans on moons like Europa, and strange radio bursts from galaxies millions of light-years away. There are even some scientists who believe alien civilizations may already know about us, but choose not to reveal themselves. And here's the question that really keeps them up at night. What if we're not the most advanced species out there? The universe is expanding, but into what? The universe isn't just big, it's getting bigger every second. Galaxies are moving away from each other as space itself stretches. But here's the part that blows minds. We don't know what it's expanding into. There's no outside of the universe, there's no edge to fall off. The universe is not expanding into space. Space itself is expanding. It's like watching a balloon inflate, but you're inside the balloon, and the balloon has no surface. Crazy? Yes, but it's real. What this means for you. All this leads to one thing. You are part of something bigger, much bigger. Your life, your story, your decisions. They're happening in a universe that is more incredible and mysterious than we can imagine. You are literally made of stardust. Atoms from ancient stars live in your bones. The universe doesn't just surround you, it's part of you. So the next time you feel small, remember, you're not insignificant. You are evidence that the universe is capable of consciousness. And that may be the greatest wonder of all.